Hey team, the purpose of today's teaching video is to show you how to use Lightbot. On the screen, you're going to scoot up over here where it has the box, and this is going to take you online. You're going to click one time right here. After clicking one time right here, you're going to see a puzzle piece right here. And then after you see that puzzle piece, we're going to click one time. If this box pops up on your screen, you're going to click right here where it says ALLOW, allow. Click one time right there in the allow box. On the right hand side, this little rectangle, it's a good idea to scoot that down just a little bit so you can see everything on the screen in front of you. You're going to click the play button right here in order to get started. And you'll see how this hand is tapping right here. The hand is usually a helping tool that lets you know what you're supposed to do. We're going to start with level 1. The hand is pointing to level 1. It's your job to move the robot to the very end. Right here it says, welcome to Lightbot. Tap, T-A-P, tap anywhere to continue. So right here we're going to click one time. And this box says, I need your help to light all the blue tiles. The walk command tells me to walk forward. So we're going to tell the robot to walk forward. I'm going to click again. The light command tells me to light up a tile. I'm going to click right here. And then the robot is telling me good luck. I'm going to click one more time. The hand is down here letting me know that I need to move the walk forward button. So I'm going to click, drag, drop over here into this spot. And if you click on it, you don't have to click and drag and drop. You can actually just click one time and it's going to magically show up in the next spot. The hand is now telling me that after my robot moves forward one time, we need that dark blue box to light up. So we're going to click on the light bulb one time. So this is what I'm telling my robot to do. Forward, forward, light. So the robot is here. Forward, forward, light up that dark blue box. I'm going to click the play button because I want my robot to understand these commands. And look at that. My robot moved forward twice and then turned the light on that box. This tells me to move to the next one. Click one time. Now I'm going to get a puzzle. Oh, this one's asking me to do more things. Good job. Click. Here are some new commands. Click. The left command tells me to turn to the left. Click. The right command tells me to turn to the right. Click. Good luck. Click. So my robot needs to move forward 2 times. Forward, forward. And my robot needs to turn to the left. Let me double check. Is it my left or the robot's left? I have to think about the robot's left. Now I'm going to come down here. My robot needs to move forward, forward. Let me see if that's right. Let's go back to the beginning and then let's see if I'm doing it right. Oh, yes. The robot needs to go left. So let's do left. My robot needs to move forward, forward. And then the very last one needs to light up. So let me make some mistakes in here just so that I show you how to fix it. See how I clicked along here and they disappeared? That's what you do if you make mistakes. Just come in here and then click those and then they will disappear. So let me put them back. Oh, yep, I think that's right. Forward, forward, light. Oh, let's see if I did it correctly. Back to the beginning and let's try it again. Oh, look at that. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but every time the robot was making a move, each of those individual boxes were illuminating or turning bright. Let's watch this again. back to the beginning, and then try one more time. Do you see this? Do you see how they're lighting up as the robot is doing those things? This is a great strategy for you to think, uh-oh, I've got a boo-boo, something went wrong, how do I fix it? I'm going to click this button so I can move on to the next puzzle. Awesome, you're getting it. Click. The jump command tells me to jump up. Click. And in other cases, tells me to jump down. Click. Good luck. Click. When I use the jump, the robot is not only going to jump, but will move to the very next box as well. So let me click jump one time, then I'm going to come up to play, and you'll see how the robot jumped and moved up at the same time. My robot needs to turn to the right because the robot's right hand is over here. So go back to the beginning. Let's watch that. Forward and right. The face of the robot is going back this direction. I'm not going to walk you through any more steps. You're going to figure it out as you move along. Those are the key strategies that you need to understand. Team, thanks so much for paying attention and have a great time coding.